Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo, perkenalkan nama saya Arya Bintang Rajasa dari kelas 9A. Kali ini saya akan membacakan pidato dengan menggunakan bahasa Inggris. Oke, good morning, peace for us all. The Honorable Principal of YPBDN, Mrs. Lia Farhia, all of teachers and school staff, and friends that I love and be proud of. First, let us say thanksgiving for the presence of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, who has given us Indonesia grace and health so that we can gather here to commemorate the 17th Indonesian Independence Day. We also do not forget to say salawat to the Prophet Muhammad SAW, who has guided his people from the dark era to the light era. May his interaction be abundant for us people. Teachers and friends, today we are holding a ceremony on August 17, 2001 to commemorate the service of the heroes who have fought against the invaders to achieve independence. Today, 76 years ago, the red and white flag flew and the national anthem reverberated across the motherlands as a sign that Indonesian beloved homeland has become independent. It should be noted that the time for this 76th Indonesian Independence Day is Indonesia is resilient, Indonesia grows. The theme invites us all to stay strong in the face of all trials and then slowly grow better. Their teachers and friends. This is the second year we celebrate Indonesian Independence Day in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic situation. Therefore, we must continue to comply with health protocols to prevent transmission. The teachers and friends who I respect and hope at this time we are still implementing the learning process from home. The sense of enthusiasm for learning should not fade. We must continue to cultivate a sense of spirit like the predictions of this nation. In fact, the meaning of independence in a situation like this is to fight COVID-19 together by following the advice from the government to tightening health protocols so that they can be free to return to their normal activities. Furthermore, I hope that all of us are always given health and safety. In addition, we can increase the sense of nationalism and patriotism. Dear teachers and friends, we are the hope of the nation. Therefore, we must study harder and harder in order to become a good generation of the nation. That's all I can say. Happy fighting against COVID-19, happy learning, keep the spirit and never give up. Dirgahayu Republik Indonesia, merdeka, merdeka. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.